Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again. I know I've been away for a couple of weeks now, and that was due to my changes in setup. Now that I'm back, I promise I'll be more frequent, and I hope you're still willing to follow me. So I would like to mark this comeback with something I recently purchased from a local store here in Brazil. These are watercolor pencils, and I've always been very reluctant to use them. Now I think it's the perfect time to do so. So I'm gonna show you my first contact with it, and at the end of the video I'm going to give you my humble assessment. Let's get on with it. So I'm gonna draw Ariel, the little mermaid, and I'm gonna skip some stages like measuring and proportions, so some things might be a little off. And since we're already here and we're trying to build a good relationship, why don't you guys like the video and subscribe? That would make my day. Thank you very much in advance. So here I'm drawing the old animated movie version, but I hope I'll be able to do the new version very soon. Now that the sketch is done, I'm just gonna get a waterproof marker and do the line work. Alright, so this is a very quick version of the drawing, so now I think we are ready to start coloring it. I'm gonna try and cover most of the areas. And I'm gonna take this chance and use darker colors for the shadowy areas. So you don't have to do exactly like I'm doing. And for her top, I'm just going to use some purple, covering the dark areas, while I'm going to see what I can do from here. For the tail, I was a bit in doubt about the color, but let's see how it goes. Now that we have all the pencil work done, I'm going to get some water and then I think we can activate the color. Let's just fast forward a little. Don't forget that for watercolor pencils you still have to use watercolor paper. So for the dark areas of the rock, I'm just going to drag the color to the areas I want, and it doesn't matter if it's imperfect or not. It's just going to be just want it to look natural. Okay, so now that I'm almost done with the drawing, I would like to make a few remarks, and I think that I still have a lot to practice so I can get the hang of it. I noticed that I still have some pencil lines around the drawing. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen. And I think the color of the tail was a little off, but that's my fault. I'm gonna work a little bit more on this. So would I change my watercolor paints for watercolor pencils? Well, I don't think I would really change my watercolor paints for them, but they are still very practical. So once I get more comfortable with it, I might even change for some drawings. Let's see in the future. And don't forget, this is actually cheap material. The purpose of this channel is for you guys to use the material you have at hand, something that you have available that's not very expensive. Thank you very much for being with me up to this point. I hope to see you guys very soon, and I'll probably release another video tomorrow. So I want to have you guys with me. Thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.